Hi guys, so in what I'm hoping will be the last stripped down session, no offence, but I'm hoping we can all see each other soon. I thought it was only right that I take it right back to the beginning, this time last year, to where it all started. Me doing a cover song of one of my favourite songs, all about believing in tomorrow and a hope for the better future. So here we go. Thank you so much for all the support and all the loving messages. God bless you. Hope to see you all again soon in person. In the meantime, don't stop. If you wake up and don't wanna smile, if it takes just a little while, open your eyes and look at the day, and you'll see things in a different way. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Don't stop, it'll soon be here. It'll be here better than before. Well, yesterday's gone, well, yesterday's gone. When I think about time to come, I'm not about the things that you've done. And if your life was bad to you, well, just think what tomorrow will do. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Don't stop, it'll soon be here. Well, it'll be here better than before. Yesterday's gone, well, yesterday's gone. If it takes just a little while, and I know you don't believe that it's true, I never meant any harm to you. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Don't stop, it'll soon be here. It'll be here better than before. Well, yesterday's gone, yesterday's gone. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Don't you look back. Don't you look back. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow, folks. Take care of yourself, stay safe, and I hope to see you all in person soon. Take care.